My name is John Erickson, and I'm reading for the role of Frank. Hey! If it isn't the kid with the need for speed! Well, don't leave me hanging like that. How'd the race go? You smoke 'em or what? Are you serious? What happened? I knew it! Ha!
I told
Yeah.
you replacing a lot of steel on your bike for aluminum took off a few pounds.
Rule number 1. The lighter, the faster. And it helped that it looked like Bernie gained a couple.
I've been leaving donuts on his doorstep for the past month. Haha.
Pretty devious for you, Rick. But absolutely genius! How about that, old man? A champion at 12. Winning definitely comes from your mother's side.